Hi guys. So we've been working in class the last couple days talking about intentional ambiguity in Shakespeare. And in the play Hamlet, that's just as common as anywhere else. Remember that we said that Shakespeare was an actor before he was a playwright, and so therefore he didn't really like to put restrictions on his actors and directors. He didn't want to incorporate specific directions in his scripts. So he left choices. So that is what tonight's homework is about. So I wanted to kind of walk you through tonight's homework. And as you go to your Google Classroom, you'll see in the Shakespeare class the latest assignment, Hamlet Act 3, Scene 1, film clip response. You're going to click on that, then click on the directions. And as you see, I've got three really simple steps. You're going to first open the document below and review the questions. So you see this Google Doc, Hamlet Act 3, Scene 1, film clips. So you open that up, and as you see there are four different questions there. And so I want you to kind of review those questions first so that you know what you should be watching for as you are watching the film clips. Once you've taken a look at those, you familiarize yourself with them. Next, you're going to go to, you'll see there are three YouTube film clips here of the same exact scene. And the order of the film clips that you watch doesn't really matter. So you're going to pick the first one and click on the Kenneth Branagh, and you see it's only about 2.5 minutes long. So you're going to watch that whole film clip, and once you're done with the film clip, go back to the questions, and then you're going to type in Brennan's name and look at the first question. Which scenario was chosen for this clip? Hamlet knew the entire time he's being watched, or he never knew he's being watched, or he figured it out part way. So based on what you saw in that video clip, you choose which one of those scenarios you think. And from there, tell me what it was that the actor did or that the director chose to do that made you think that, and you type that out. Then you go on to the next question. Once you've answered all four of those questions for your film clip for Brenna, then you go back here and you open up the next one. The next one is Mel Gibson. So we watch Mel Gibson, another 2.5 minutes. Watch it, go back to your document. You're going to type in Gibson's name, and you're going to answer those questions again. So you're going to do that for all three of them. Once you have answered, once you've watched the Ethan Hawke film version, which I think you're going to find is very odd and very strange, and very much more modernized compared to what we've been watching. Once you've watched that and you answer those questions, then you are ready to turn it in. Other than that, you'll hit the turn in button on Google Classroom, just like all the other assignments that we've been doing this year. We're going to carry this over into tomorrow, so come ready to kind of argue and explain your thoughts on the choices you made, and hopefully make for a great class discussion tomorrow. If you have any questions while you're working on this tonight, feel free to email me, and I will do my best to help you out. Have fun.